I want Chirag here.
Yes, sir. Chirag.
Chirag. Who and Sonam.
Sonam.
And Vinivek Khan.
Yes, sir.
Pranav. Who else? Shashi. Come to stage. Yesterday I had a small session with this group and I asked all of them to send a report on what they have learned to me. And these are the people who responded. So give them a big clap. This is a gift from me, which you have to share, 200 rupees.
But the whole team must get some part. Sir, can you please come?
Again give money.
No, sir. Just come with these guys.
Again money.
Yes, sir. So if you are giving more, I am also ready to come. They didn't inform me that you are coming yesterday.
So, I generally, there are few teachers, I am saying, how do I teach my children? When I take classes, I'll ask them to take notes. They all were sitting in the session without a paper and pen. They asked them take pen and paper, write down everything what I say. And I call it as note taking. So every student in your class should have note taking habits. And then,
they are very good.
Yeah. And then what I ask them is to make a note and send it to me back. They have to make a note and send me back. Right? So that becomes the best document. And that documents help me in making books. So I taught one session on emotional intelligence. And yesterday I have given it for publisher. It's a 150-page book, one program, which I taught only once. And emotional intelligence with Eastern philosophical knowledge from me and the Western emotional intelligence mixed together will be only one unique book which is going to be in market. Understood? So teachers can do wonders if students are well. Okay? And all these reports which they put, I'll just put it onto blog. So today morning I did that. So you will see that in the blog, plus a link of that blog you will see in my Facebook. And already must have some 30-40 people must have commented on that. That means all what you write will be read by all those people. And that's how you share knowledge. So I believe in caring, sharing, loving, learning, and learn to learn. So now we will go to another segment which is, I'll take again 40 to 50 minutes to take you through the creativity. I did one mistake, that's why I'm here. We attended a session together, myself and Dr. Krishna. He is a chief minister by birth. Correct, no?
Yeah, obviously.
CM Krishna. Only generally they will say Krishna CM, but now it is CM Krishna. By birth itself he is a chief minister.
Yes, so there is no possibility because I am not interested in politics. I thought at least in my title.
Yeah. We had one Dr. Kaprekar. His initial is DR. So by birth itself he became doctorate. And he is a good mathematician. He is no more. He used to attend. I remember earlier he used to attend. So we attended one session and there was some small gap in between or some interval. So I came on forward and then showed some few videographs. And that was my technology, which came on BBC. I think that made him to invite me here. Then because he told me that I have to present, I started learning a lot.
Yeah, that happened for me.
But I had an opportunity to be with people in the remotest village, and I hail from a village where electricity came in '93 when I was doing my masters. I am from a small village. In 9th class, I left my studies to start a business. She was asking whether I have not touched textiles. I learned tailoring during my 10th class gap. So I am a good tailor. Okay. And we do a lot of small experiments. I tell you, in our childhood, we used to make balloons which can fly. All chemistry, what we learn in the lab, we experiment. We are used to that. Small places we are used to that. I remember doing electroplating because we have got copper sulfate which is used for rubber plant. So the copper sulfate will take a battery, put them together and put some, there used to be 20 paise coin which is brass. And it has got the copper coins are also. So we put copper coin and brass coin together, give copper plating onto brass. We'll do all these experiments at home. So we are all used to doing such programs. You will see a lot of innovations from Kerala. Just because I am from Kerala. But the title says innovation and new product development strategies for global competitors. I don't know whether we make a global competitiveness or not, because if you want to be globally competitive, you have to do little bit of marketing more and professionalism. That is lacking in India. Good documentation. I remember when CSIR director asked for all the scientists to fill up a form for patent, all of them gave blank sheet, saying that we have nothing to patent, because they don't want to do the documentation job. If you start spending time for documentation, you will not do research. Therefore they said no. Then he started a patent office in his CSIR. And there are a lot of patent applications which came, because there is somebody else doing documentation for you, you don't mind doing it. So we are not very good. Grassroots innovation and new product development. Yes, grassroots is Trinamool. Right? Yukti yuktam upadeyam vachanam balakadavi anyat tranamavatyajyam apyuktam brahmakadavi. This is the basic lesson in Upanishads, in Indian tradition, scientific outlook. Yukti yuktam upadeyam. Logically analyze everything what you do. Ask questions. Yukti yuktam upadeyam vachanam balakadavi. Even a small child comes and tells you this is night. Don't tell him that no, this is day, not night. If he comes and tells this is night, don't tell him this is not night, this is day. No. Ask him, why did you tell this is night? You understood? There must be some reason for him to say that, right? Ask him. Then you may realize that he is blind. Physically blind, right? You understood? So ask him questions. Anyat tranamavatyajyam apyuktam brahmakadavi. Even Brahma himself comes and tells you this is night. Ask him, why do you say this? So don't throw away any small suggestions from anybody. Pick it up. Then you become a researcher. You become an inventor. It is crazy. You go to some of the Infosys or Yahoo or Google workbench, you will see a panel there people keep on writing something. They give such freedom. It's a nice cartoon which I don't know what is to be called. A idea, picture. Everything what I speak is inside this. Beautiful picture, right? You know what? This is used for Indian tourism advertisements. Sand dunes are beautiful. It's called the sand dunes. And seeing this, poets have written. Like if you go to Kailas area and all that, the sun, bright sun reflects here, it will look like gold. Look like real gold. And therefore the Tibet was supposed to be whose place? Richest king in the... Who is that? One question for you to find an answer. The richest king who ruled Tibet in the Puranas. 100 rupees I'll give you. If you answer. Kubera, wonderful. 100 rupees. I lost it. I'll give you, take it. Kubera. Mikavudaya Kubera Pattanatil Suganamamiya Tariga Kudangal. The top happens to be like Tariga Kudam. Tariga Kudam is the top. That is Sukanakam. It's like gold. That's what it is. Okay, Suganagamagia Tariga Kudam. Pagal Pagudi Kalanna Baskaran and Prakadamani Chikalan Telangivini. The evening sun reflects it and looks like the whole area is with gold. That's the beauty of such places. So sand dunes are very beautiful, right? Yeah. Beautiful. This is, you know what are they doing?
Tea garden.
Yeah. Good, nice to see. We attract tourists in India. Great, no? Paddy field. These pictures are sold. Now let us look back. Again the same picture. These ladies, what, you know what are they carrying?
Water.
Water. How many kilometers? India is great. India is great, and they have to carry water for the drinking. How many kilometers? Say, yeah, we are great, and we are selling it and attracting tourists. And you know, this lady has to pick up like this and put it back. Can you do it 10 times? And they do it 2,000 times, and they get 100 rupees paid per day. And we sell it. Are you feel ashamed to be in this country? These ladies, can you stand like this? And lot of fertilizers here, water here. And you want to see their feet? Will it be paining? And the rice which you eat in the lunch. No high technology. It's all made from the paddy field. Do you want to help them? As technologists, do we have a responsibility to help them or not?
Yes.
Yes. That's grassroots inventions, innovations. Now I feel upset sometimes. And we have great people serving this country. Rojagar Yojana, etc., etc. Pay them 100 rupees, ask them to stand there. Ask those leaders to stand there for one day, bending like this. They will realize. They will start putting fund for real innovations. Do they have only hands, legs, labor, hammer, knife with them, or do they have brain? Do they have brain? They also have brain, right? I am from an agricultural family. I also did the same job. Replanting this, I did it in my paddy field. I worked there. So I know the difficulty of people. They also have brain. Mitsubishi makes a replanting grass, the paddy replanting job. Mechanized. But we can't do it because we need a job for people. Otherwise they will not get paid, right? That's why the minimum wage is 100 rupees paid for every person. So what are we doing? Is it developing or not developing? You must answer this. Internally you can answer it. You know, the most technology is what makes... I've got a different quote. Most of our inventions, we start the day with the remote cut. If the remote is not there, we don't switch on the TV because we have to walk up to them. Right? Anyway, mother I cannot use because already used by somebody else. Redbus.in. Do you use them? Yes? Just one software. You know how much money he makes? Nothing else. You can just make money with one software. Market it well. That's innovation. Innovation, investment, enterprise. That's a golden triangle. You must learn what is best requirement for a good entrepreneur in this world. Who has to be an inventor, innovator, and then come to making business. 6 qualities are required. And if these 6 qualities are there, God will come behind you to support. You don't go to temples. They will vacate temples and come behind you. You will become temple, where God will reside in you. Udyamam, Sahasam, Dhairyam, Buddhi, Shakti, Parakramam, Shadede, Yatra Vartande, Devam, Tatra Prakashayat. Udyamam, entrepreneurship, curiosity, plan. Udyamam. Once you have Udyamam, all of us have. Udyamam. Tomorrow morning I will wake up. As soon as I wake up, I will get up. What time? 8 o'clock. Udyamam is there, not today, tomorrow. We keep on postponing things, right? Do you want to change your life? Tomorrow morning you want to wake up. As soon as you wake up, you want to get up. Without any laziness. Do you want? How many of you want to change your life from tomorrow morning? Getting up as soon as you wake up. Only one. Lift your hands, yeah. Half or full. You want to be still lazy. Teachers are mostly lazy.
You can't say tomorrow, we have to say today.
Today you cannot. You have to sleep now. Tomorrow morning I said.
We already changed.
You drink 3 liters of water before going to bed. You will get up as soon as you wake up. See, the plan is there. I'm sure you will not drink water even if I give you solution, because you don't have sahasam. What is sahasam? Drinking water is sahasam, because you may wet the bed. Taking risk. The next. Remove your inhibitions and jump onto action. That is what is called a take risk. If you want to be an inventor, you must take risk. The path is not very nice, wide road, all gentle roads, because you are the first person to walk in that, right? You must be ready for that. Dhairyam, for which you need dhairyam. If you have, you will understand. If you don't have, I cannot explain to you. Next 3 are like that. Dhairyam, buddhi, shakti. If you don't have buddhi, how can I tell you that? Fine? And then parakramam. You know what's parakramam? If I call one person from there, you please come here, the she will say, don't go here. Right? If you want to jump into something, your mother will say, no. Father will say, don't. Everybody around will say, why are you doing it, yeah? Don't do it. If somebody tells you from tomorrow, just slap on their face. That's how our Purana says. You know what our ritual says? If somebody objects you, you want to be creative, tell them, go to hell. I am deciding what I wanted to do. Can you imagine, I retired at 20 years of service. Don't you think my wife, parents, family, brothers, everybody will object? Why are you leaving? Government of India, wonderful job. And I went back to a small village in Kerala, started doing my social service. From Prime Minister's office, I went to Palakkad in a small village. You need risk taking in your life. You must decide, yes, it's enough. I'll do something which I like. I remember I went to Calicut University, Academic Staff College Director. As a director, my brother told me, don't go, it's a dirty place. I said, wonderful, I can clean it up. It's already clean, it's problem. Anything which I do may make it dirty, right? It's already dirty. Very good, I got a chance. And after 1 year, my brother wrote a nice email to me, which I am keeping it as one of my testimonial. He says, yes, you have done difference to that university. Understood? So you must take risk. That time I went to university with less of salary from central government to state government. First fool in Department of Space to go from Department of Space to a university. I don't mind doing it. You have to take risk, otherwise you will have problem. I was in Prime Minister's office. We have a dress code. We have to have black shoes, black socks. I don't care all that. I use some other socks. Black pants and white shirt. There is some decorum. Because we are in SPG, Special Protection Group, sister concern for that. There I was the deputy director. So we have to meet Prime Minister every month and dinner. I said I will not come. I am on deputation from Department of Space. So I am not a policeman. A lot of police people and army people. I am the only buffalo there from civil. By mistake, Prime Minister signed my appointment order. So I thought once I will go. I told my boss I will not go. He said, go. You have to go. You have to carry coats. I said, fine. I will carry, but I will not wear it. And I carried it. When I went for dinner, I gave to my driver. And there were only 2 people without coats and suits. me and Manmohan Singh. He straight came and started holding my hand. You will see my picture with him or he with me. Because that's why he was holding my hand, not I was holding his hand for 20 minutes. And he started discussing where are you from and all that. We had long discussion. We are not supposed to take cameras there inside. Not even my director. DG cannot take camera there. He has got an official photographer, he will take it. And Vanchu, your Goa governor is the chief there. And he wrote me a personal letter. I saw your picture with the Prime Minister attached herewith for you. And he sent that letter to me. Vanchu is a good friend of mine after that. Then he asked me, how do you know Prime Minister? I know after the dinner, I said. Before that, I never. So sometimes taking risk is beautiful, yeah. You must have that courage. And later I spoke so many things to him and then he spoke so many things to me. He took me to his wife and said, now you speak to her. Because she is giving a lot of tension to me. So Udyamam, Sahasam, Dhairyam, Buddhi, Shakti, Parakramam. Wherever these qualities are there, God will come and support you. So take risk. Be creative. Be in the creative zone all the time. Write things down. I said documentation is very, very essential. Otherwise you will keep on thinking what you thought yesterday. Right? Once you document and keep it, you will never think about it. Already finished. Don't waste time on it. We always waste time thinking and become thunk. Don't do that. Okay? Find patterns and create combinations. Amandram aksharam nasti nasti moolam anaushadam airogya purusho nasti yojagaha tatra durlabha. There is no single letter which is useless. When you put letters together, it becomes a nice word or a bad word. We know what is dog. Beautiful, wonderful, very good animal. We know what is sun. Sun is also beautiful. When you get angry, you mix them together and use it on somebody, that becomes bad. So mixing things have to be in the nice style. Otherwise, you may create troubles in your life. There is no root which is bad. But few roots are put together, it becomes bad. Kacha banana is good. If you have dysentery, stop dysentery. Kacha banana. Pakka banana will create you loose motion. So what time you use it in what style also matters in your life. You must be very, very cautious in using things. Yojagaha tatra durlabaha. You have to be a good person who can mix people together. No organization can run with one single brightest person. You need everybody. So as a person doing projects, understand you must know how to use people at the right place. Give them encouragement and put it. That makes innovation active and making nice good products. Ideas will come from somewhere, resource will come from somewhere else, internal creative thinking skills, put them together, gets you the real creativity. The continuous innovation loop, you need to rectify things. Everything will not become perfect in one go. Need a lot of time. Innovation can be anything. These are all innovative ideas, right? How many of you know how to take pictures self like this? I click my pictures generally when I go. I always carry camera. I'm a good photographer. So I just put like this and take my picture, it will be pakka. I know where to hold this. Right? And if you don't know, you need something like this. I don't know whether how many have made a cup like this. All of you want the biscuits along with it, right? Do you get it in the market? Do you get it in the market? No. Make it. Wonderful. You can. Now in Anandapur, a small village, I have got 200 volunteers, BTech students. I had 2 days of workshop for them, creativity. They asked me what can be done. I said you have a lot of paddy field where the watering has to be done. Your cell phone must be able to send a message and the motor is on. And then that's simple. If motor is not working, it should send a mail, SMS back saying I am not working. If the power fails, it has to say I failed. If it is jammed and not working, the motor is bad, you say motor is bad. Can you create this? Simple, right? Very good. And you can get a lot of markets for this. You know, when we go to airports, we keep on watching our bag. And it may take 20 minutes. You know, all of them are VVIPs. You miss it, then it has to go for one round. Can't you have a small equipment as it comes, your mobile will tell you I am here? Possible or not? Very simple. Simple solutions can solve big problems in this world. You can have remote which can open your gate. In Kerala, one person did a nice helmet. You know, it has an air conditioner inside. It's really sweating. A helmet with air conditioner. Cool. And second one, when he drives, if he forgets, you don't have to wear it. You should have it somewhere near you when the police comes, right? It's not that comfortable. Therefore, you need your helmet along with you while traveling. Otherwise, motorbike should remind you you are traveling without helmet. So he has got, if you start the motorbike, it will tell you, pick up your helmet. Message comes to you. So many such solutions you can find out. That is what is creativity. So innovation, technology, science together, and such developments in all your activities makes your countries developed. That's what is essentially required. We have a lot of innovation systems in place, R&D, MNCs, supporting agencies, government mechanisms. Nice project by Government of India called INSPIRE. A lot of people are inside that. You are aware of INSPIRE, right? Are you aware of INSPIRE?
Yes, sir. One of us is a fellow.
Fellow. Who is that fellow?
Chirag.
Where is that fellow?
This is not that inspired. It's a different.
Which is that?
I was offered this fellowship.
Okay, from IAC.
No, I was offered it. I was offered from Bhubaneswar Institute of Physics.
Yeah. See, you have got lot of support by Government of India to become an INSPIRE fellow, where you can get lot of support. People are doing it. Okay. There are a lot of processes in which you have to go for innovation. Anyway, I'll explain it as it comes. The other day, I don't know how many of you heard Narlekar. If you did not hear his lecture, worth listening to.
I had the pleasure.
I heard his lecture, how to make an organization. Building an organization, building an institute. That lecture was him. He is an astrophysics expert, but his lecture which I attended was how to create an institute. How to make an institute the best excellent one. Wonderful management lecture. And recently, the other day, 3 days back, on 13th there was don't stop at invention, innovate. Read it thoroughly if you get it. It's there on internet. I have posted it on my group on Facebook. Whatever it should be read by my students, I'll put the link there. So you can read that. Okay? Somebody asked me fire. You can read fire from there. Who is the fireman? Firebrand. Yeah. He's a firebrand. You must listen to TED lectures, TED lectures. Are you following this?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful lectures. Technology, entertainment, and design. And there is a lecture by Anil Gupta. Innovation man, gas route travel. He is from Gujarat. And Gujarat government has made a nice structure of working with the honeybee, that's Anil Gupta's, and the Srishti Anil Gupta's. Put together into National Innovation Foundation India.org. They are the people who are supporting innovation in India at the grassroots level. There is a structure supported by Gujarat government wonderfully well. The mission is understood. Okay. Anything which you do, lokana upakaraya edat sarvam pradarshidam. Ultimate goal is it must be useful for people. If you don't do, no problem. If you do anything, do it for use for somebody in your life. That's what is required. Okay. Technology intervention, observation, and promotion. What we lack most of the time is promotion. Promotion has to be given long importance. Management has to go with that. That's why most of the BTech engineering colleges started management. But then that becomes watertight compartments. They will not talk to each other. That you are management, you are a buffalo, I am a horse. Don't talk about it. Right? The whole aim was to put them together. It never happened. That's a big failure. Opportunities, threats, strength and weakness. So, you have to do this. Important terms. Distinguish all of them. I was just asking in the morning. Discovery and research. Slight difference, but it makes real difference. Discover. That is discovery. Very simple. Discover it. Research it. In research, you know what you are searching. Problem is defined. Discover by accident. Invention, innovation, copyrights, science, engineering, technology. I think I have an article on it's not only necessary but also sufficient. It's not only necessary but also sufficient. That's the title of one of my articles, which says technology not only necessary but also sufficient for India. The trademarks, the new man-made devices or processes can be innovation. It can be an idea. Okay? I'll just skip this. Yeah, I call it. This is a new term. I throw verbs like this. No, now create. Understood? You say by heart. I created. We don't by heart things. Heart is inside, right? Is it there for you or given to somebody? So we said don't by heart. What you should do? By brain. There is no word called by brain. So I coin terms like this. So I am saying fawning innovative ways. There is no word called the fawning. The fawning innovative ways. Most of the applications today you look at it are phone based, telephone based. Right? And it's the greatest innovation which we have in this time. And you can do many creative things out of telephones. The patents, I'm just skipping that because you had a specific trademarks. It's all sold on trademarks. Copyrights, yes. Science, engineering, technology. I want you to do some research on this and find out what does it really mean. Effective, deliberate on this. Totally unrelated things can be put together and then think about them. Sometimes the needs of military is what is coming as civilian. I just covered it in the earlier. The communication technology has changed the world. It has become a global village. You are able to connect. I remember 15 years back, I was looking at a Kumbh Mela we had. A Swamiji who was smoking and telephoning. That picture I have put in my, I also keep camera all the time to take pictures. Kumbh Mela I was there. BBC called me for a program to cover on Kumbh Mela, the scientific analysis on Kumbh Mela a few years back. So that time I went around, I saw highly advanced Swamijis. Lot of inventors. Small scale industry has grown. Entrepreneurs have grown. There are a lot of schemes under the government of India. We have centers. I don't know whether Bhopal you have got a small scale industry innovation support stations like government of India's program. Do you have it? Not CR.
No. Innovation supporting, no, but small scale industries, organizations we have, and government is funding them.
Do they also train people free of cost? Ladies are given free by government of India. All BTECs can go there and do CAD/CAM packages and VHDL.
Not free of cost. I think there are training centers.
Yeah, there are government centers where they give you free training. Okay, Hyderabad we have wonderful centers. They conduct programs, short-term programs. We want entrepreneurs. Therefore, small-scale entrepreneurs numbers have increased, and we are the largest exporting country in the world with the small-scale industries. I am not talking about large industries, because we have a lot of people, and who are all really bright. Put them together, tap them together is what is required today, and that's being done by new policies. Just increased over a period of time. too large now. We need good environment. That's happening. Earlier it was not that simple. The problem changed, became progressive and improved over a period of time. Earlier there was lack of information, lack of training. Today it's not. There are problems once upon a time. It's all solved now. All the red has become green now. Knowledge is sufficiently available. Conductive environment. Simple collaborations, alliances are possible. It's only thing you must open up and then say that yes, I am ready for that. No deer will go to the lion's den. The lion has to go and hunt, right? Right? Do that. You must be like a lion. And maybe if you want to ask what is the greatest innovation we had in the last few years, one is nano car and another one is Jaipur Lake. And yeah, Jaipur food. Sorry. This was on Valentine's Day, Google, right? You know why did they put it? Just to remind me that most of the innovation happens because of games. These are reaching every corner of the small places in this village also. It's a large invention, you know that? Nice games, nice fun. And you want to see one of the advanced one in that?
Mr. Spielberg is one of the many legendary directors Universal has collaborated with over the years.
Action! I like that. So I was thrilled when Universal invited me.
This is a tourism program in Hong Kong. You can get into the bus, go inside the cave.
We created this 3D
Right?
immersive experience, so you're going to have your glasses ready.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've all been waiting for. Welcome to Skull Island.
These are the glasses which you have to wear.
King Kong 360 screens. Standing over there was screened by Academy Award-winning director Peter Jackson.
You enjoy that? Imagine you are inside that bus, you will enjoy, right? Understand it is not created for fun. This is how army people are trained. Got it? They are put in a virtual environment in which the fighters are. Otherwise, you cannot go into Pakistan border and train our people. No. You need train, then deploy them there. How do you do that? It's all done virtually. So understand the applications which comes in games are not made for games, but made for defense applications. And most of the inventions which happens in this world are for defense applications. Rocket came for that. Okay? Yeah, this is again day for yesterday, 14th paper, newspaper, there was an advertisement. CSIR is giving 10 lakhs, not a small amount. Apply for that. Not now, maybe a few years to come. If you are ready for that, you could do that. CSIR gives a lot of science and technology innovations for rural development. So there's a lot of scope. CSIR has got a website in which they put all their inventions. Okay? What are the inventions? Giving pure drinking water. That's one of the invention which they have. Affordable kit, purifying water. Solar powered cycle rickshaw. Okay, they have a solar panel on top of it, so that you don't have to pedal all the time. Simple one, 7,000 rupees is the cost. Affordable to people, right? And you have got this seating also is so wonderful. You can lift it and pull it and like a bedding. So the people who are riding this can take rest. Otherwise you can see how do they sleep. Generally they sleep here, folded their legs, right? Otherwise also it's pain. You want to stretch it and sleep. Small innovations can make a lot of difference to their life. That's what is grassroots. But two things, you can make it and give it to the grassroots people, or grassroots people will make it for themselves. Climbing on top of it is very difficult. You want to see? On YouTube search Dr. Shashi Kumar on type climbing on top of it. I am also a good climber. I climb. I don't use this equipment with the 2 ropes. Okay, and what we do is we have arecanut. This is coconut. Arecanut is so flexible. From one arecanut tree you can jump to another one. You don't have to come down. Finish plucking the arecanut, jump from there, and finishing all that, then only you come down. The real monkeys. You can see me. My son videographed it. He was thrilled to see that I am on top of this. Anyway, we'll have to come down sometime. So Abdul Kalam is very happy. Marshalkar is very happy. CSIR. We have good scientists in the top of the world. Salute them for all that what they have done. Highly innovative man. And that's what I was telling. Anything which you do becomes innovative. We have Indian National Science Congress. You know that?
Yes, sir.
Science Congress is inaugurated by Prime Minister. You know that?
Yes, sir.
And President cannot come and attend that function because Prime Minister is lower and he is higher. Only one person who changed that rule was Abdul Kalam. He was denied. Government said, don't go. You can have a video conferencing, but don't attend in Bangalore. He said, I am not coming. But last moment he could not resist. He said, I am coming. And he just came. All the reporters were with the camera. He said, all these people who are hiding, the people who are on the backside are not able to see you. Get out all these places. All right. He had the courage to say that. He's a ground man who works in the ground level. I was telling the other day, he wanted the plantations to be done on his campus in DRDO, wherever he goes for morning walk. That was the contract given to contractor. Contractor found it's very simple. Only that place where he goes for morning walk, right? Every day he started going in different routes. You can be highly innovative, yeah? This man, a small person from my district, Appachan from Kannur, I am from Kannur, KNNUR, North Kerala. He made an invention. You don't have to climb the tree, you can walk on the tree. And it takes you on top. He has got. From Alleppey, a marine diesel engine. So many other. Mosquito destroyer. Okay, rainwater. Cost effective grid tiring on the trading. Banana slicing. You get nice chips from Kerala. Cutting it is very difficult. Slice one. He has got a banana slicing equipment. Very simple one. Arrowroot grinding machine. Multi-utility stove. Bicycle operated. Cycle is one which you can use for hundreds of things. You can make small rockets with a, you want to see it? In our childhood we used to do that. This can be made into a rocket.
Water rocket.
Water rocket. Just put a cycle pump here and then pump it, bulge it up. Just leave it, it flows. As simple as that. Right? You can make a lot of fun. Cycle is one which we use it for most of them. And cycle pump, cycle which you have in your home can be used. Okay? We will see a video of this. That's why I am skipping. I got a video which I have edited for you for 20 minutes. I will play that. So many. The tractors driven by motorbike. Yeah, this is one wonderful one. You know that Kerala is very famous for fish curry. And the whole fish curry is made in a small earthen pot. not pressure cooker. And it can give you sufficient heat, better than a pressure cooker it can cook in the same time. Because the mud pot can give you a lot of temperature preservation inside. Yes, and continuously constant temperature, the taste also will become better. And all of us use Teflon non-stick pans, and it is highly dangerous, it's not safe. All what you are using is not safe. And same with 100 times lesser cost you can make this tawa. Put a nice handle for that and then use it. You can make it and use it. Kerala is very famous for all the food what you get, and all of them you will not like because it contains coconut oil, coconut. The taste is not good. And Kerala also started hating coconut because cholesterol is too high, people get disease and all that, right? But me and my grandfather and father and all the tradition, we used to have sufficient coconuts, and I am not sick for last 25 years for no diseases. You know why? For every problem, there is a solution next to that. For every problem, there is a solution next to that. And what is the problem? Coconut is the problem. What is the solution? Coconut shell. What is next to that? Coconut shell, right? Put coconut shell, smash into pieces, put it into water, boil it and drink. That's why we used to drink in the childhood. We don't drink normal water. Coconut shell is crushed, put it into water, boil it, it gives a brown color. Brown color we like, right? Yeah. And that will give you a cold drink. Otherwise, coconut shell is used for making the spoon, which is used for cooking this food. So what are you mixing along with the curry? Coconut shell. If, that's my invention. Coconut shell, drink, your cholesterol can come down. Any one of you have cholesterol problem, any one of your relatives or friends, ask them to drink coconut shell mixed water. Cholesterol will come in 1 week. Very simple. So every problem, you have a solution next to that, but you must know there is a solution next to that, right? Open your eyes. Ajnana tibirandasya jnananjana shalakaya chakshurunmilidamyena tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Who is a guru? Who gives you a kajal, which will give you a bright eye to see around. He is a guru. Ajnana tibirandasya. Ajnanam, not having knowledge is like having cataract. You don't require surgery. Put a kajal for that. We have solutions for most of the problems which we have around us. The pressure cooker can be used for making what tea? Coffee. Don't want? The pressure cooker can be used for making what coffee? Huh? Yeah, tell that.
Espresso.
Yeah, espresso coffee. It's a highly expensive equipment. You have cooker at home. Connect to one tube. You can make it at home. Cycles used for many applications. Washing machine too. You can make washing machines with cycle. I'll show you one. A Kerala small girl who made a difference. Electronic day innovations. I don't know. We don't use this floppy now. Earlier we used to have floppy. What is inside floppy? A disk. That's a magnetic disk, right? That's where the data is stored. And you need a reader there. Now if I want to insert the floppy, how many times I can insert, how many ways? 8 ways. Because it's a square, right? Any style I can put it. How many mistakes you will make? 7 mistakes. Only one way it has to be inserted. Then you have to look at it very carefully. Even today you have problem with your pen drive. You don't know whether the hollow top is up or down. It's always on up. That's how it is made. You cannot make mistakes if you are an expert. Just look at it and insert it. You don't have to see whether it is right or not. Right? But we are not that good as innovators are. And you know this, just by changing the shape, elongate it slightly more from the square to make it rectangle. That's what he did. Square is made into rectangle. Now you cannot insert 8 ways, only 4 ways. How many mistakes? 3 mistakes. By just changing the shape, your product has become more effective, right? Is it enough? Or you want no mistakes?
No mistakes.
No mistakes. You know what is to be done? Cut the corner. Remove this corner from here. Only one way you can insert. That is what is perfection is. So I have not seen a better innovative item than. I was telling, as civil engineers, you want a handle like this or a handle like this? If you want to pull it vertical, push it horizontal. You go to glass doors in a 5-star hotel, instead of pulling, you push it, it comes and hits, you will lose.